Sample pretreatment. Crush the sample with a grinder. Weigh 2 grams of the crushed sample into a centrifuge tube. Add 5 milliliters of the sample extraction solution. Shake for 3 minutes. And centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 5 minutes at room temperature. Then, according to the required detection limit, add the supernatant and deionized water as shown in the table below. Mix well, and wait for testing. Test steps. Take out the test card and place it on a flat and clean work surface. Use the provided dropper to suck the prepared sample solution and add 3 drops into the sample hole S. Place it at room temperature for 8 to 10 minutes to judge the result. Results beyond 10 minutes can only be used as a reference. Result interpretation.